What's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. Today we're gonna be installing an airbag cover. So we're gonna be replacing the OEM one. I've already started, so I just want to give you guys some instructions or tips to get this swapped over. So the 2018 to 2023 year models, majority of them are with this plastic cover. So a lot of people want to go ahead and replace it with the new leather ones from the 2024 year model. We have those on our website, but it's a full replacement, meaning it comes with the whole assembly, the guts, new airbag, connectors and everything, and that goes for $650 right now. We have it on sale. So people still think it's still too expensive. The dealer are charging $1,000 or $800 and up. So we found a more economical solution and more customizable if you guys want that option. So here we have different airbag covers that we have done. Here's one, black leather, black stitching with a carbon fiber and logo. So when you do carbon fiber on the wing, you kind of lose that 3D effect that you have. So the only way to kind of improvise is to kind of do like a vinyl under the resin that we do to kind of give it that logo. If not, it just looks flat. So this is an option we have right now. We do have the OEM red stitching. We are not able to use the new logo, but at least we can get into the full leather with custom stitching. Again, you can customize the logo if you like, if you want it all black, if you want to do it however you want. Again, anything messing with the original logo will make it look flat, so it won't look as good, but an option that can be done. We have the OEM gray stitching. Same thing, black leather. And you can choose any leather color. I just went more on the neutrals on this. This is a black on black. So it's a black stitching with black leather on there and just the normal logo. So these options here are readily available to ship at $250 and it's free shipping. So you have these 4 options. Otherwise, we can do this customized to whatever you want. If you want blue stitching, blue leather, whatever leather color you like, you can choose any color stitching, and then on the logo we can do whatever you want. Just email us at info@boosterwhips.com for that. Let's get this out of the way and let's go ahead and get with the removal of the airbag cover. It is a little bit tedious, but nonetheless easy to do. I've already started. It's already loose. Just wanted to experiment how to take it off. There's some other brands that you got to take off the bolts off, take off a plate. In this one, you don't have to do any of that. We just need to maneuver and mess around with these plastic clips or inserts, if you will, and that is all. So to give you guys some pointers, what you want to do is grab either a very strong flat pry tool, or if you feel comfortable using metal on the airbag, please do so, as it makes life easier. So I'm using a flathead, very thin point. The thinner the better, because you're gonna be able to get onto this. So you guys see here, it's already pushed back. So what you can do is you can bend these clips back like so. You kind of do this type of maneuver and you can bend them. So this is a very flexible plastic. It's not gonna break as you push back, but again, don't push it extremely back. So you wanna go ahead and kind of just bend them just enough to kind of release. There's a clip on top of it. So you kind of just go around, bend these back like so, all the way around. And I'll show you right now where that clip is, because I already have it loose. But it is, like I said, it is not as easy as you think to remove. Once you bend these back out The hardest part is getting into these that are here in this area. There's 3 here that you gotta go from the inside and kind of push and push and push back. Once you do that, you're gonna have to start, you know, digging into each hole, kind of creating that pressure to kind of push and push and push until eventually you'll feel the airbag kind of cover come loose. So you just do that. Once you push all the clips, you want to go ahead and push and push and push, you know, onto the bag so it can become loose. You want to pay close attention to the orientation. So if we're removing it from this side, purple plug on the left hand side, and this is how it is, right? So we have the logo facing up. So if we wanted to replace with one of the new ones, we want to put it in the same direction and orientation. And these are the locking clips that are on those other plastic pins, if you will, that you're trying to push and remove, as you guys can see. This is what's holding the airbag. Again, orientation is very important. Then you want to come in and you just push. I don't want to push this in right now, simply because this is just an illustration. So you want to go ahead and press down until you click on all of them. So just make sure all of them are right inserted where they need to be, and you would have your new airbag cover. Again, just so you guys can see the different options. That was with the carbon logo. Everything gets aligned nicely. Again, it's a more economical option if you don't want to spend a full OEM replacement, which is almost 2 or 3 times the amount. Here's that one. Again, you can find these at boostedwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. But it's very simple, straightforward. No more than 20-30 minutes messing around with the thing, maybe less. And that is all. So again, this is the OEM one. And that is all. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching again. Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.